Why we should stretch before we work out. Think of your muscle like an elastic band. If it's too cold or too tight, it won't stretch. It may snap or break or even strain if you try to pull that elastic band. So women like me and you over 35, or anyone who sits for a long time, maybe due to your work schedule, you're sitting behind a desk all day, or you're new to working out, you need time to warm up that body. So you need to stretch at least 15 to 20 minutes before starting that workout. Why? You need to help your blood circulate, then you need to lubricate those joints so it helps with your mobility. It warms up your joints. And most of all, it prevents injury. What do I recommend? How do you get stretched up? Think of dynamic stretches. You're moving with a stretch, and think about warming up your body first. You want to march in place, do those arm rolls, leg swings to get your blood flowing. Then move into your hips. Sitting all day, your hips become very tight. You want to basically do stretching exercises that will open up your hips, do those lunges from side to side, maybe from different angles. Do a couple of reps of those to get the hips really opened. Then move into your bigger leg muscles, stretch those quads, do those quad exercises, toe reaches, and your glutes as well. Stretch those major leg muscle groups. Finally, stretch your upper back. You want to stretch out your chest, maybe do wall angels. Finally, you want to stretch out your back and your core. Get your back all warmed up, do the back exercises to stretch it out, and also stretch out your core, maybe do some pelvic tilts. What kind of tools can you use to help with stretching? Foam rollers are the best to help you get those tight quads, calves, and those glutes all stretched up and loosening them up real nice before you go about your exercise. If you don't have a foam roller, don't worry. You can use things around the house. You can use a towel and roll up that towel. You can even use a large water bottle, a firm water bottle as a foam roller before you go out there and start working out, whether it's cardio or lifting weights. Get your body ready, get the blood flowing. My guideline is try to do it for 15 to 20 minutes. Yours may take longer. Take your time. Be gentle. Remember, you're not trying to get injured. I know we all talk about exercise, what we should be doing, but we also need to think about safety and making sure we're ready to do those exercises so that we can age with power. If this message resonates with you, please save it before you go work out the next time and send it to someone that needs it.